What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best all-in-one PCs in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you're looking for the top bang for the buck, we say check out the Dell Inspiron 7700 All-in-One, the best value all-in-one PC in 2023. This all-in-one machine is designed to make your work easier in the office or at home. The desktop consists of a screen or monitor with FHD resolution, a 4-sided keyboard, a mouse, and more. This Inspiron all-in-one desktop computer has a brilliant touchscreen with AIT Infinity Edge HD technology. Furthermore, Dell Inspiron 7700 All-in-One has a powerful SSD of 1 terabyte, plus it comes with 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM that lets you run multiple apps and browser tabs simultaneously. Furthermore, this PC is equipped with an 11th generation Intel Core i7-1165G7 processor that accelerates file processing speed, and the GeForce MX 330 graphics card with 2 gigabytes of graphics memory is a solid match for your 3D images. It also combines Windows 10 Home 64-bit operating system, which makes it an ideal choice for daily office work, family entertainment, internet access, distance learning, meetings, and video conferencing. Also included in the mix are stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5 connectivity. The computer works very well with pretty fast startup and applications that remain fluid in all circumstances. The biggest advantage of the all-in-one PC is its integrated display. Here we have a screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The screen is an IPS model with Infinity Edge technology to have very low bezels, 6.8 millimeters, for an increased borderless effect. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The next product we'll talk about is the HP Chromebase All-in-One 22. Also known as the best Chrome OS all-in-one PC available on the market in 2023. This model makes a surprisingly powerful case for the Chrome OS desktop. With a unique stand with plenty of flexibility, the HP Chromebase is certainly a unique offering, although it's not for everyone. The best thing about the Chromebase's design that you'll notice is the cylindrical shape of the base and the way the screen floats off of it. As cool as it is, the design also has a practical purpose. This base houses the speaker system as well as the ports on the back. The device has a hinge mechanism that allows you to rotate the Chromebase between vertical and horizontal positions. The mix includes a headphone and microphone combo, 2 super speed USB-C ports, and 2 super speed USB Type-A ports. The onboard 1920 by 1080 FHD screen is fine for media content in team calls or Zooming. Contrast is also decent, with the white background letters of the subtitles popping against their black background without being gray. Chrome OS also adapts to the change quite well, with websites like the New York Times automatically switching to portrait mode, and full-screen Android apps like the Google Play Store also recognize the change in orientation. On top of the HP Chromebase is an excellent 5-megapixel webcam. According to the image test, it delivers a 2560 by 1994 resolution, which is quite detailed. Also, the device comes with 4 gigabytes RAM and 128 gigabyte SSD, which is quite enough for basic user tasks. Overall, the HP Chromebase All-in-One 22 is a great device. It brings Chrome OS to a bigger screen on your desktop and gives you a fun way to play Android games, scroll through social media, or enjoy video calls and music. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. For all you Apple fans, we say check out Apple Mac 24-inch, the best Apple all-in-one PC available on the market in 2023. This is a great-looking machine with a fantastic screen and plenty of power. Apple's M1 chip ensures that the computer can only be 11.5 millimeters thick, not including the stand, but still has 8 cores of powerful processing power and runs quietly in general use. The 4.5K screen is larger than the 21.5-inch model it replaces, but the whole unit is just 2 centimeters wider and 1 centimeter taller and much less bulky. What's new about the 24-inch iMac compared to the 21.5-inch model it replaces? Just about everything. No aspect remains unchanged in any way. Let's start with the display, which is a 23.5-inch 4480 by 2520 display. Apple calls it 4.5K, which makes sense if you know that 4K just means any screen about 4,000 pixels wide. This one has a bit more pixels. The display offers 500 nits of typical brightness and P3 wide color gamut support, which are big improvements over your average monitor. You also get Apple's True Tone system, which adjusts colors based on the lighting in your room and makes a big difference in eye comfort in our experience. For power, you've got the Apple M1 chip for an iMac for the first time, replacing Intel processors and graphics used in the previous model. It's an octa-core processor with 4 high-performance cores and 4 efficient lower-speed cores. You get it with 8 GB or 16 GB of RAM, which is down from the 32 GB maximum offered by the previous model, which will annoy some pro users but won't be a problem for the average buyer. The M1 also provides top-notch graphics, with 7 or 8 cores of GPU power depending on the model you choose. It also includes a neural engine, which can be used by applications incorporating machine learning tools to significantly speed up tasks. At the top is a 1080p Full HD webcam. The speakers are one of the most interesting improvements. There are 6 drivers in total, 3 in each of the bottom corners. The really clever part is the use of 2 woofers on each side, placed exactly opposite each other. Good stuff, that's for sure. If you aren't hesitant to spend a few dollars more, we've specially selected for you the Microsoft Surface Studio 2, the best high-end all-in-one PC in 2023. For digital creatives, this is a workstation that'll be hard to beat. The team at Microsoft has gone all out for a great new version of its all-in-one desktop PC, with a special focus on digital media artists. A robust digital drawing table with all the capabilities of a regular desktop computer, this machine will certainly be desired by artists and designers. It'll provide you with an Intel Core i7 processor of the 7th generation, 16 GB of DDR4 memory, and a 1TB NVMe SSD, a truly enviable configuration. With an incredible 28-inch PixelSense touchscreen that responds to every touch, Studio 2 opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities. Surface Studio 2's thin screen, along with the lack of parallax and lag, brings you closer to pixels than ever before, making for a much more authentic experience. The Surface Pen experience also has seen an improvement, with pixels and the pen tip truly blending into one, with no parallax or lag, even when using quick swiping motions. Combine the pen experience with Studio 2's magical gravity hinge that lets you effortlessly lower the screen to a 20-degree angle, but supports you when you lean over your drawing for a unique design. Knowing that you can lean over the screen when it's fully down without fear of false touches or breaking the screen makes for a very immersive and natural experience. In terms of design, aesthetically, it's still one of the most beautiful machines on the market. Being able to instantly switch between color profiles from RGB to Vivid and DCI-P3 modes is a big help. Knowing that what you see on the screen in sRGB is what'll be printed gives a lot of confidence in setting the palettes correctly. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Finally, we present to you the HP Envy-34 All-in-One, which quite rightly took home the gold medal and title of the best overall all-in-one PC available on the market in 2023. HP has once again impressed us with its new HP Envy-34 All-in-One computer. The company has created a lightweight multi-purpose computer that does not take up too much space and offers excellent performance. The HP Envy-34 is packed with top-of-the-line PC features. Among them, we can point out a screen of no more than 34 inches, B&O sound, or an HP True Vision web camera. This all-in-one model stands out for its fine and discreet lines. The device is designed so that it doesn't take up too much space on the desktop, despite the large screen. In fact, it comes with a single cable located at the back, which gives it all the power support necessary for its operation. The chassis is silver aluminum, which gives this model a touch of elegance. For the convenience of the user, a wireless charger is also included, which is located at the bottom of the monitor. The all-in-one HP Envy-34 stands out from the rest of the company's roster with its 34-inch screen and 21.9 aspect ratio. This way, it's very easy to do any kind of work. Also, the panel has a 5K resolution with color calibration that offers more realistic colors. We're looking at an IPS panel that reaches resolutions of up to 5120 by 2160 pixels with a brightness of 500 nits. On the performance level, the HP Envy-34 includes a 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor, accompanied by 32 GB of DDR4 RAM. This type of SoC is used in high-end computers, so there will be no problem with slowness when running different processes at the same time. This device also has a 16-megapixel sensor and digital microphones. This ingenious combination provides excellent audio and video quality, favoring any type of task required. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? You got it. So that's it for the top 5 best all-in-one PCs in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.